Hey guys! Hey guys! Right now we're heading toward Harrison Hot Springs. And honestly, every road trip feels like a small reminder about life. Sometimes the road is smooth, sometimes there's traffic. But if your mindset is positive, even the slow moments feel meaty. Look at these mountains around us, standing tall like they're saying, "Keep rising." Today's goal is simple. Leave the stress behind, breathe in fresh air, and enjoy the journey. Because remember, it's not just about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying every mile of the ride. Let's go make some peaceful memories at Harrison. As the drone slowly rises above Harrison Hot Springs Beach, just take a look at this view. The calm water stretching endlessly, the mountains wrapping around the lake, the soft waves touching the shore. It feels like nature painted this scene perfectly. When we get busy with work, responsibilities, and daily stress, we forget how powerful nature can be. Places like this remind us that peace isn't something we buy, it's something we feel. Watch how the drone keeps going higher. The higher it goes, the wider the view becomes. And that's exactly how life works. When we rise above our problems and change our perspective, things don't seem as heavy anymore. Down here, the lake looks calm, but we all know it's deep. Just like people, on the surface, we may look fine, but inside, we carry dreams, emotions, struggles, and hopes. And that's okay. Depth makes us strong. Harrison isn't just a tourist spot. It's a reminder to slow down. The hot springs here are warm even when the air feels cool, teaching us that warmth and positivity can exist even during cold phases of life. Look at the families walking along the beach, friends laughing, some people sitting quietly, just watching the water. Everyone has their own story. Different paths, different struggles, but today, they all came here for the same reason: peace. Sometimes we run so fast towards success that we forget to enjoy where we are. Success isn't only money or status. Success is feeling calm inside. Success is breathing deeply and saying, "I'm grateful for this moment." The wind here is soft. The water keeps moving. The mountains stand still. And together, they create balance. That's what we need in life: movement, stability, and fresh energy. If you're going through a tough time right now, think about these waves. Every wave reaches the shore eventually. No storm lasts forever. After every dark night, the sun rises again. As the drone captures the full landscape, you realize how small we are in this big world, but even a small light can remove darkness. You can be that light for your family, for your friends, for yourself. Nature connects everything: water, air, earth. And just like that, we're all connected too. So, spread positivity. A smile costs nothing but can change someone's whole day. Today's message from Harrison Hot Springs Beach is simple. Dream big, stay humble, take breaks, recharge your mind, because life is beautiful. We just need to pause long enough to see it. Enjoy these views, breathe deeply, and carry this calm feeling with you even after you leave. See you in the next adventure.